Best Hard Folding Tonneau covers protect truck beds, improve security, enhance fuel efficiency, and provide convenient cargo access for everyday use. My today's video is about top 5 best hard folding tonneau covers reviewed that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Real Truck Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The BAK Flip MX4 is a premium hard folding tonneau cover designed specifically for 2020 to 2026 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 2500/3500 models with the 6 feet 10 inches, 82.2-inch bed, combining strong security, weather protection, and full bed accessibility. Its upgraded patented auto-latch locking system provides better theft resistance, helping keep valuable cargo securely locked down. Improved seals and newly designed tight-fit clamps create a closer seal against rain, moisture, dust, and harsh weather, making it a dependable choice for year-round use. Tested in extreme conditions ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 180 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 95% humidity, the MX4 is built for demanding environments and backed by a 5-year warranty. Best of all, its folding design delivers 100% bed access, allowing you to fold it toward the cab and safely drive with the cover completely open when maximum cargo space is needed. Now our second product is Tundra Hardshell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Tundra Hardshell Tonneau Cover is a practical, premium option for 2015 to 2026 Ford F-150 models with a 5 feet 5 inches, 66-inch bed, offering a strong balance of durability, convenience, and weather protection. Its powder-coated matte black aluminum frame and hinges provide a sturdy foundation, while the automotive-grade EnduraShield panels resist dents, scratches, and fading, making them well-suited for demanding daily use in hot climates. The simple clamp system allows the cover to fold up or lock securely without complicated operation, while the front jaw grip clamps let you remove it in seconds when full bed access is needed. Best of all, installation and removal require no tools or drilling, helping protect the truck bed. An extreme seal helps keep rain and harsh weather outside, while hassle-free tension keeps the cover tight. Its low-profile design also adds a clean, streamlined appearance. Our third product is Most Plus Fold Hard Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This quad-fold hard aluminum tonneau cover is designed for 2015 to 2026 Ford F-150 style side models with a 5.5-foot/67-inch bed, offering a strong combination of durability, security, and convenience. Its 14mm heavy-duty aluminum construction and powder-coated frames provide a sturdy foundation for everyday hauling, while multiple horizontal crossbars improve stability and help reduce the risk of the cover lifting during high-speed driving. Installation is straightforward with the included clamps, weather stripping, and manual, requiring no drilling or permanent modifications. The U.S. patented clamp design adds dependable security while keeping installation hassle-free. Its waterproof and UV-resistant construction helps protect cargo from rain, sunlight, and changing weather conditions, and the cover can be easily cleaned with soap and water. A built-in LED light is another useful touch, improving visibility inside the truck bed at night. Overall, it's a practical, secure, and weather-resistant solution for F-150 owners. Now number 4, Nexus Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This Nexus Armor Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover is custom designed for 2015 to 2026 Ford F-150 models with a 5.5-foot bed, making accurate fitment essential before ordering. Its U.S. patent-protected design combines rigid fiberglass reinforced polymer panels, an internal PP honeycomb core, and a reinforced aluminum frame for impressive strength and durability compared with traditional soft covers. Supporting up to 450 pounds of evenly distributed static weight, it helps resist dents, sagging, and everyday wear. Integrated seals provide protection against rain, snow, and dust, while the no-drill clamp-on installation keeps setup simple and truck bed friendly. The trifold design offers flexible access, allowing partial opening for quick loading or full folding for larger cargo. An included LED light improves visibility at night, while the complete installation kit simplifies setup. Backed by a 30-day return/exchange guarantee and 5-year quality warranty, it delivers strong protection, convenient access, and dependable long-term value. And our last choice is Autosaver 88 Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. The Autosaver 88 FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover is a strong, practical choice for 2007 to 2026 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models with a 5.8-foot bed, though it is not compatible with multi-flex tailgates or Carbon Pro beds. Its fiberglass reinforced polymer construction with a PP honeycomb core delivers impressive durability, scratch resistance, and support for up to 450 pounds, making it suitable for demanding everyday use. Installation is straightforward and requires no drilling, with 6 sturdy clamps providing a secure fit while preserving the truck's original condition. The cover also offers valuable protection against rain, snow, dust, and potential theft, helping keep valuable cargo dry and secure when the tailgate is closed. Beyond functionality, its smooth, low-profile design adds a clean, modern appearance to the truck. Overall, this trifold cover combines strength, weather protection, simple installation, cargo security, and sleek styling in one dependable upgrade for Silverado and Sierra owners. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.